We live in a world where everybody wants to be heard. People speak quickly, react quickly, judge quickly. But somewhere between all this noise, humanity is slowly forgetting how to understand. And maybe the greatest problem today is not that people are silent. Maybe the real problem is that people never pause. Today's poem is not asking us to run away from life. It is asking us to stop for a moment and truly observe it. And that is what makes this poem deeply connected with today's generation and the modern CBSE approach, where education is not only about marks but about awareness, emotional understanding, and reflection. The poem Keeping Quiet is written by Pablo Neruda, one of the most influential poets in world literature. Through his poetry, Neruda often spoke about humanity, peace, emotions, and the relation between human beings and life itself. And in this beautiful poem, he asked the entire world to pause for a few moments so that humans can reconnect with themselves. So now let us move towards the recitation of the poem, Keeping Quiet. Here I go. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and a man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death if we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. And through this poem, Pablo Neruda does not ask humanity to stop working forever. He is not promoting silence out of fear. He is not asking people to escape responsibilities. What he truly wants to explain is this: human beings have become so busy proving themselves to the world that they have forgotten how to understand themselves. People are constantly running behind success, money, competition, social image, and endless pressure. But during this race, we stop noticing pain, we stop noticing nature, we stop noticing relation, and sometimes we even stop noticing our own inner wounds. Neruda believes that if humanity pauses for even a few moments, people may finally understand the value of peace, compassion, and life itself. Because silence is not emptiness, sometimes silence becomes the place where self realization begins, and perhaps that is why this poem feels even more meaningful in today's modern world. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you sat quietly without distractions and truly reflected on the person you are becoming? We spend years improving our marks, our appearance, our social status, but are we improving our humanity too? Are we becoming kinder, more understanding, more patient, more real? Or are we simply becoming faster machines in a noisier world? And maybe that is the exact question Pablo Neruda wants humanity to face. And this is why modern CBSE learning is changing today. education is no longer only about memorizing textbook lines. Now students are expected to think deeply, reflect emotionally, question society, and connect literature with real life. Because true education does not only create successful students, it creates aware human beings. And Keeping Quiet is one of those art poems that quietly teaches humanity without shouting. If you want English literature explained in a modern, emotional, and deeply understandable way, then join Bright educational classes where learning is not treated like pressure but like growth, where poems are not only explained for exams but connected with life, personality, and understanding. Because students should not only learn how to answer questions, they should also learn how to understand themselves. Remember this, the world does not always need louder voices. Sometimes the world only needs more thoughtful hearts. Now, we will count to 12 and we will all keep still.